Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about concate and concatenate function. So these two functions are very similar and are used to join two text or string values placed in some cells, but they have a major difference. So we will see in this video that what is that difference and how to use concate and concatenate, when to use which, and which is better. So starting this video with the concatenate function. So it is used to join two strings or text, as we have said. So here there is a table in which we are having a item list, then we are having a restaurant list, then rating list. So we are going to use concatenate. So as we type the concat, we get two functions. So we have to first see this. So pressing tab, and then we find that there is an option to write text, comma, text, comma, text. In this way also you can join the text, but here we are going to use the cell referencing. So this is the cell which we are going to use, comma, then this dessert factory, comma, excellent. So pressing enter will give us a string which is having all the entries, but here you can see that we are not having any space because we have not given any space. So for giving space, what we have to do is after comma we have to press quotes, space, quotes, comma, like this. So after C5, after comma, quotes, space, then quotes, then comma will be useful for giving space. So in this way we can see that we are having proper spacing between every word. So copying it here as well, we can see that it is giving the item brownie with cake shop and good rating. So in this way we can use concatenate. There is another option also in which you can use concatenate, is that you can write your own text as well. Let's say you want to write that I found, comma, donuts, comma, very tasty. So let's say if a customer want to give remarks or want to give the ratings that what dish he or she has liked the most. So in this way you can enter the remark that I found B7 very tasty. So pressing enter will give you the result. Let's jump to concat. So using concat we have to press concat and we get an option of using the function tab, and there you can find that you can enter text as well over here and give the cell referencing also. So giving the cell referencing, this time we are putting some space for better presentation. So in this way we have done the concatenating, and the results are similar. But what is the difference between concatenate and concat? So basically concatenate is an older function which was introduced first in this Excel, and after that concat was introduced. They both do the same thing, they join the two strings or text, but what is the difference? That concat has an upper hand, that it can concatenate a cell range. So if we do like this, B6 to D6, then also it will give us the same result. But of course the spacing problem will be there, but if spacing is proper, you have given the spaces, you can modify the data. So concat function can be used to join the cell range. So this is an upper hand for concat function, which is very useful in large data sets when you have a long data format and you want to concatenate that. So one last thing which is left is that you can use concat in a very versatile way, because here you can use text. You can write the text by your own, by whatever you want, just like I wrote that I found B7 very tasty. So it was text. So you can do that as well. You can do the cell referencing as well, and you can do the give the cell range as well. So let's assume I want to give a cell range, comma, I want to give a space and comma, and I want to give a remark that very tasty. So you can see the donut, the sweets, good, very tasty. So in this way you can use concat and concatenate for joining your text and strings. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.